Hello guys, the Volta is a useful handle for the GoPro cameras as it has the ability to trigger the recording, but also has the ability to charge the camera because it's got like a built-in battery. But sometimes I find it has a tendency to crash and a solid light comes on. None of the buttons seem to respond. Now in this video, let's learn how to reset the Volta to resolve this issue. Okay, so what we need to do to reset the Volta is simply use two fingers and press quite hard on the two buttons, the one, the record button, and the button above. Hold it for around about 10 seconds or so, and you probably need to press quite hard. And then you should find that the light will stop flashing, and then the Volta should reset. And that's pretty much it. That's how you reset the Volta if it crashes on you. I hope it's useful, and as always, in return, please hit that button to say thanks. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on the GoPro as well as other tech. See you soon and take care.